Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on dark mode on Pinterest. If you love spending time on your Pinterest, then you better turn on dark mode. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss any videos from us. Let's begin the video. Tap open your Pinterest app and sign in your account. If you already sign in, go to your profile page which is at the bottom of the page. After that, click on the settings which is on the top right corner. After tapping the settings, you can see the many options. Click on the account settings. After that, you can see the app theme. Tap the option. Now you can see the system default. You can turn on the light mode and dark mode. Tap on the dark mode. Now your Pinterest is on the dark mode. Dark mode feature on Pinterest darkens the Pinterest interface across the app on both iOS and Android. Enable dark mode on Pinterest so that it can be easier on the eyes, better for the nighttime browsing, and in some cases it is helpful with the battery life. So that is how you can quickly turn on dark mode on Pinterest. Hope you find the video useful. If you do so, give us a thumbs up. If you have any feedbacks or comments, you can comment down in the comment section below. I'll see you guys soon with another video. Till then, keep watching. Bye bye.